Hi guys, Michael Weldon here, back for another installment of Cole's What's for Dinner. Now tonight it's all about comfort food. I know we're all locked up at home in isolation, we're not sort of getting out there a lot, but this dish can transport us to the pub. We're going to go that favourite of every Aussie, the classic chicken schnitzel. This is how I do it. The first thing you need to do is flavour your breadcrumbs. So here I've got some panko breadcrumbs. You can use whatever breadcrumbs you have. What I do from there is add lots of flavouring. So I've got some Parmesan cheese I'm going to grate in there. And then I've got some thyme leaves I just picked off the stalk here. And I love chilli, so some chilli flakes. We've got just a little pinch of salt because we've got that Parmesan. And then we just need to mix this together. Then we pour that out onto our plate. Now this is what I call a crumbing station. So we've got flour at one end, panko or our breadcrumbs at the other, and then our eggs in the middle. Now, we've got chicken breasts here. You could use chicken thighs. I'm gonna wear some gloves just because we're dealing with chicken. And I've got two things I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cut our breasts in half. That looks really good. And then I've got a meat mallet here. You could use a fry pan or just something heavy with a handle that you can sort of bash your chicken down. We want our chicken to be nice and thin, a nice even thickness all over. So into our flour we go with our chicken, and then you go into your egg, and that's when you bring your wet hand back in, and you go back to your dry hands on the outside of our chicken. And there you go, have a look at that. Homemade chicken schnitzel in a couple of minutes. So our schnitzels are made. Now it's time to make a quick accompaniment to go with them. All we're gonna do is just thinly slice all these crunchy things and make a really quick slaw. So at home, you can use whatever you have lying around. Some mayonnaise, just a little bit of olive oil, just to dress everything. And with clean hands, we give that all a nice mix together. Just a little bit of lemon, just take a cheek off, squeeze over the top, just to add that little bit of sharpness to our slaw. All right, so we've made our slaw, our schnitzels are crumbed, ready to go. I've got some oil on here in a pan on a high heat. Now we're gonna chuck in our schnitzels. It's gonna take about 2.5 minutes to cook on each side, heat on a medium-high. That bubbling's perfect. Once it's nice and golden brown, take it out, dry it off on paper towel. We'll season it with sea salt, and then we're ready to eat schnitzel. And there you have it, guys. That is my winner chicken schnitzel for dinner. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, stay tuned for more Cole's What's for Dinner. Happy eating.